pumpkin is so yummy. I love it. It's Halloween today. Halloween is not good for you. Yes. But pumpkin is not scary anymore. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this toy. It's so funny. Guys, do you love Halloween or no? Nope. Halloween is not good for you. I know. Halloween is not good. Halloween is good. Halloween is not good. Halloween is good. I know Halloween is not good. But pumpkin is not scary anymore. Look at the pumpkin. He has heart and her eye. And look at her mouth looks like like that. Halloween is not good, but all the times it's good. All the times Father's Day, Mother's Day, Girls' Day, Dog's Day, and even Christmas Day. Guys, I know you don't like Halloween, but decorations are good. Valentine's Day is good, decoration is good. Halloween is not good for me. How about you? I love you so much. If you like my video, like it. If you love it, subscribe my channel. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.